ito may dalawang blank space dito. Tapos, suppose that we're asked to find the 100 term of this sequence. Okay, so syempre dito sa sequence natin, this is your a sub 1, then your a sub 2, then your a sub 4, and then your a sub 3, and then you have a sub 4. Okay, so to find a sub 5 and a sub 6, all we have to do is just to follow the same pattern kung paano naisulat ng first 4 terms. Okay, so kung mapapansin natin, di ba, skip counting lang ng 2. So therefore, the next term, our 5th term will be equal to 9, and our 6th term will be equal to 11. Now, we can go on with this process hanggang sa makuha na natin yung pang 100 term. Pero sobrang haba nun, di ba? Alam naman, ililista natin lahat. Paano na lang kung ang pinapahanap na sa atin ay yung 500 term na or yung pang 1,000 term? Are we going to list down all the terms? Siyempre, hindi na, di ba? So, dito papasok yung importance ng explicit formula ng isang sequence. Instead of listing down all the terms, we are just going to come up with a formula that defines this particular sequence, okay? Para mas mapadali yung trabaho natin. First, ang gagawin natin is to rewrite these terms in a table form. So, gagawa tayo ng table, okay? Ganito. Okay, so you have, yan. Dito ilalagay natin yung position of terms. So, let that be denoted by n. So, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. And then, say, for example na, hanggang sa 100 term, lagyan natin kumari na we're trying to look for the end term. Next, dito naman, ilalagay natin ay yung mismong term. Kasi mismong value ng term. So, you have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. So, we are trying to look for a formula dito. Okay, a formula para susundan natin yung pattern dito, tapos magkakamap tayo ng isang formula para mahanap na natin agad yung value ng 100 term. Okay, so, look closely. So, magkakamap tayo ngayon ng pattern. Okay, so, itong sequence na to is an example of an arithmetic sequence. Why arithmetic? Kasi, nakuha ko yung 3 by simply adding 2 kay 1. And then, if I'm going to add 2, okay, kay 3, I will get 5. Kapag nag-add ulit ako ng 2 kay 5, I will get 7. Pag nag-add ako ng 2 kay 7, I will have 9. And, syempre, pag nag-add ako ng 2 kay 9, I will get 11. So, kapag ginawa natin yan ng paulit-ulit, mahanap naman talaga natin yung 100 term. Sobrang haba nga lang ng proseso, kaya nga gagawa na tayo ng isang formula. And since we found out that these terms actually follows a pattern wherein you add 2 to any of the preceding terms, so itong repeated addition na to, mas mabilis itong magagawa kapag ginamit natin ang multiplication. So, kasi di ba multiplication is a repeated addition, para mas mabilis kang maka-add, we will be using multiplication. So, ibig sabihin, to find the end term, ayan, the end term, it is simply n times kung ano man yung value dito, times 2. Okay, so titingnan natin ngayon, gamit yung formula na yan ngayon. Say, yung n na yan is ito ito mga, nandito yung position of terms mo. Yan yung mga numbers niya. So let's try substituting the value for n, say, 1 siya. Okay, so you have 1 times 2, but 1 times 2 is just 2. Okay, ang kailangan natin ay 1. Next, try natin ulit kay 2. So, you have 2 times, follow the formula, okay? So, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Eh, ang kailangan natin, 3. Okay, so let's try sa 3. You have 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Eh, hindi natin kailangan yung 6 kasi ang kailangan natin ay 5. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon, pero ito yung common tignan nyo. You have 2, 4, plus 6, then this is 1, 3, and 5. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin ng konting adjustment dito sa formula natin. Yan, mas lamang sila ng isa kaysa dito, di ba? Yung product, mas lamang ng isa kaysa dito sa mga terms. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin mag-subtract na 1 doon sa formula natin. So, you have minus 1. Okay? So, now, let's try to use that formula to find, say, the 6th term. So, try natin kay 6. You have, if n is 6, okay, so if n is 6, so you have, ito yung formula natin, ito. So you have 6 times 2 minus 1. So 6 times 2 is 12 minus 1. So your answer is 11. And this is what we're looking for. So therefore, the correct formula for this pattern is this one. So gagawin lang natin siyang mas formal. So ibig sabihin, this sequence can be defined as, yung formula niya is a sub n equal to n times 2. So you can have that one, rewrite that one as 2n tapos minus 1. So this is now our explicit formula. And since we have this formula now, we can simply substitute the value of 100 in this formula para mahanap na natin yung value ng 100 Okay. So you have, following the formula, so you have a sub 100, so your n now is 100, then you have 2 times 100 minus 1. 2 times 100 is equal to 200 minus 1, so therefore, your 100 is equal to 199. So, and that's it. Okay, so let's have our example number 2. Say this time that your sequence is composed of these numbers. You have -7, -2, 3, 8, and then you have 13. Again, we have 2 blank spaces here, and suppose we're asked to find the 100 term. So again, since meron na tayong idea na pwede gumawa ng formula, syempre second option na lang natin ang listing. Okay, so but first, try natin i-fill in to yung terms dito. So we have the 6th term and the 7th term, following the pattern na sinusundan nito. So you have -7 and -2, they differ by 5 units. So applying that rule, we will be able to get the value of a sub 6. So 13 plus 5, that gives us 18, and then plus 5, so you have 23. Now again, isusulat natin ito sa isang table. So ang gagawin natin ay, ulitin lang natin yung process kanina. So you have n, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3. Okay, you want to find the nth term. Now next dito, ilalagay natin ang ating mga term. So you have -7, -2, 3, 8, 13, 18, and then you have 23. Now we're trying to look for the formula. Okay, so yan. Skip counting ulit. Every time skip counting, ibig sabihin, ang ginagawa natin ay arithmetic sequence lang. So here is how, tingnan natin kung paano. So you have -7 plus 5 is -2 plus 5. So you have 3 plus 5. So you have 8 plus 5. So you have 13. And then plus 5 again to have 18. And lastly you have plus 5 to have 23. Now again, since this is repeated addition, we can use multiplication. Okay, so it means that we can have n, okay, times 5. So now let's try this formula. Say your n is 1. Okay, so you have 1 times 5. So this is 5. Okay, next. Say you have 2. This is 5, but we need 7, -7. Okay, what about 2 times 5? So you'll have 10. This is 10, but we need -2. Next, you have 3 times 5. This is 15, but we need 3. Okay, so as we can observe, the product of these terms and 5 are ilang units na greater than these terms na kailangan natin. So you have 15, then this is 3, then 10, plus this is -2. Then you have 5, then this is -7. They are, how many units greater than these terms? They are 12 units. Okay, 12 units na, mas mataas dito. So, ibig sabihin, to be able to get this one, I am going to subtract 12 units from that formula. And now, so let's try if it is applicable. So you have, let's try 87. So you have 7 times 5 minus 12. 7 times 5 is 35 minus 12. So 35 minus 12 is 23. And this is the term that we are looking for. So ibig sabihin, we got the correct formula. And that is this one. Let me just write that one. Again, rewrite it. So you have your explicit formula for this sequence, therefore, is a sub n equals to, that is n times 5. So we can rewrite that one as 5n minus 12. Ayan. Okay, so therefore, our 100 term is, okay, so our a sub 100, yeah, a sub 100 is equal to, replace it sa n, so you'll have 100, okay, times 5 minus 12.
side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us,